Hi, it's Tanya here and I'm going to show you one-step press step-by-step application guide that lasts up to 5 days using our pre-glued cluster style hybrid volume. Our one-step press pre-glued lash kit includes a cluster style of your choice, a one-step press lash applicator. It's newly designed to work perfectly for the one-step press application and removal. You also will get a lash wand. I'm going to customize a lash set using length 10, 12 and 14mm. Before applying, make sure your lashes are makeup and oil free. To start the application, gently remove a cluster from the tray using your one-step press lash applicator or your finger, making sure to pick the cluster up as close to the base as possible. Do not touch the pre-glued base. Now you can place a cluster underneath your natural lashes by lifting the cluster in an up and out motion against the root of your lashes, leaving around a 2mm gap from your lash line. Avoid the applicator touching the glue as this will stick to the applicator, and work in sections as this will give you the time to apply the clusters flawlessly. You can repeat this step until all the lashes are applied. Once your lashes are all applied, use your lash applicator to clamp down the lashes to ensure they are secured and locked into place. When clamping, focus on the base of your natural lash line where the lash clusters are applied. Look how seamless this look. It's super quick and easy, and this would be perfect for beginners. You can repeat the same process on the other eye to complete the full lash look. Now let's talk you through the aftercare. We recommend keeping your lashes away from water and steam for 24 hours after application. To keep your lashes locked into place, re-clamp your lashes every morning using your applicator or simply press the base with your finger. And to clean your lashes, we recommend that you use your lash cleansing mist every 2 days at maximum. You can also gently wash around the eye area with an oil-free cleanser. The pre-glue base will stay sticky, so you can remove and reapply any of the clusters if needed. If any of the outer corners move due to sleeping face down, you can simply readjust them and press and clamp together to secure them back into place. We recommend patch testing by applying one lash to the outer corner of your eye and waiting up to 24 hours. Our one-step press lashes are easy to take off as they are to put on. To remove your clusters, gently loosen and peel the base of the cluster away from your natural lashes using your fingers. This is the finished look, and thanks for watching. We hope you love the new collection. You can shop now at tattilashes.com.